If you're a business owner or farmer, a health savings account, or HSA, can help you save money on your healthcare costs. An HSA is a tax-favored savings account or trust that allows you to pay for qualified medical expenses with pre-tax dollars, meaning income tax-free. An HSA can also help you save for medical costs on a tax-deferred basis, then use the money to pay for medical expenses that you incur during your retirement. To implement an HSA, you must use a qualified HSA trustee, which can be a bank, an insurance company, or anyone approved by the IRS. The three benefits of setting up a health savings account for you are: number one, you can make tax-deductible contributions to the HSA, and any contribution that you make up to $5,950 per year is tax-deductible. Benefit number two, the HSA grows tax-deferred, which means that any amount that you do not use for medical expenses continues to grow in your investment account tax-deferred. And finally, benefit number three, you get tax-free distributions for medical care, which means that any withdrawals from your HSA account that are used for qualified medical expenses are tax-free. Here's an illustration of the benefits you can receive by setting up an HSA account. Let's say, for example, that you opened up an HSA 3 years ago and you contributed the maximum amount of $17,400 over those 3 years. If you were in the 25% federal tax bracket and 5% state tax bracket, then you would have received a total of $5,700 in tax deductions over those periods. Now let's say that these funds grew tax-deferred over the 3 years and grew to a total of $19,000. Then, during the following year, you had health insurance deductibles, co-pays, and uninsured medical expenses to the tune of $10,000, which you paid for by withdrawing funds from that HSA. In this particular case, you would have not had to pay taxes on this $10,000 withdrawal, and the balance remaining in the HSA account of $9,000 will stay in the account and continue to grow tax-deferred until you use it again. The health savings account is the only financial vehicle that allows for tax-deductible contributions, tax-deferred accumulation, and then tax-free withdrawals. To find out more about the HSA strategy and get even more ideas to cut your taxes in your business or farm operation, go to the product section of the FFA.ag website. There you will find a number of implementation guides with step-by-step procedures to help you save money. You can purchase access to all these guides for only $99. This particular strategy on health savings accounts has its own planning implementation guide, which includes all the documents, forms, and contracts that are needed to help you and your advisor meet the IRS guidelines on setting up a health savings account. Once you download or print out the guide, you should then contact your CPA or accountant or one of our certified farm financial advisors to discuss whether or not the HSA can be used in your particular business or farm operation.